Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the morning broadcast. Nifty closed above 85.50 in yesterday's trade with a gain of 0.6%, marking their highest close in nearly 2 weeks. The July services PMI data came at 2 years high, aided the positive sentiment, and helped the index to stay in the positive zone throughout the day. Going ahead, globally, the key economic data from Eurozone and the Bank of England's interest rate decision shall steer the markets for short term, while on the domestic front, Q1 earnings and passage of key bills in Parliament shall be crucial for the near term. Technically, Nifty is trading well above its key moving averages, and those moving averages shall act as a good support in the near term. Nifty is also trading above the unfilled gaps, which adding to this bullish sentiment in the Nifty. However, decisive sustenance above its previous high swing at 8650 levels might take Nifty higher towards 8800, 8850 levels, and on the downside, the supports are placed in the zone of 8500, 8540, followed by 8430, 8450 zone. Therefore, for the day, we recommend traders to buy Nifty at around 8540, 8550 levels, keeping a stop loss of 8500 on the downside for potential upside target of 8650. On the global front, the US stocks closed mostly higher yesterday. Disney shares were under pressure, which dragged the Dow Jones index lower, while the S&P index finished 0.31% higher and the Nasdaq was up by 0.67%. European markets ended broadly higher on Wednesday, with shares in France leading the region. The CAC 40 was up 1.65%, while Germany's DAX gained 1.57%, and the London's FTSE 100 closed its session 0.98% higher. Asian share markets are trading mixed bag. The benchmark indices in Japan and Jakarta are trading slightly in the green, and the rest are in negative territory. The Indian markets are likely to open flat to negative note as the SGX Nifty, the indicator of market opening, is trading lower by 15 points. Therefore, for the day, we recommend to buy 8600 call option of August series between the range of 95 to 100 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 75 for potential upside targets of 145 to 150. The time frame will be intraday. Also, we recommend 5 intraday calls. We are long in Hindustan Unilever, Infosys, Kotak Bank, NTPC, and short in RAC Limited below 273 levels. Also, we recommend to do a hybrid strategy in Cipla, where you can do a bull call. Buy one lot of Cipla August 720 call option at 24 rupees and sell one lot of Cipla August 780 call option at 6 rupees. The maximum profit for this strategy will be 6,000 rupees, whereas the maximum loss will be 3,500. The time frame is 4 to 5 days for target of 750 spot level, keeping a stop loss of 700 spot level on the downside. Thank you.